Welcome to the Ray Crash Course. I'm Dean Wampler. This is the course that you should go through if you're new to Ray, you're a developer or a data engineer. You'd like to learn about how Ray works and how you can use it to scale Python applications across a cluster. The first two lessons are actually the crash course part. We take you through the concepts of tasks and actors so that you can know what they do, what problems they solve, and how you can leverage them. Then in the next lesson, we'll step back and take a look at why Ray exists in the first place, what problems it was built to solve. After that, we'll talk about one way that you could adopt Ray, which is to replace some existing popular multiprocessing libraries that may already be in your applications. And then we'll talk about an interesting topic called parallel iterators. These are a way to build very simple but effective stream processing libraries. We'll finish with an exploration of other aspects of the Ray API that we haven't seen yet, and we'll talk a little bit about exploring and using Ray clusters as opposed to running locally, which is also an option.